ipau cham na zaman lai pa Yesu cross ni theina isu noi le ki pum khat na to gal zo di hiuti chom chan ka wak gen a hi ka ke pa khi
check. Zingpa Manipur. Zingpa. Patian Pat Omhen.
Patian Patin Omhen.
Nadam Hia. This morning, though we are happy to be here, it's very painful for us to see all the incidents happening here in your land.
Dozing niswa kilo hoi tak nunga leng kipa wai tak hinapi na yai igama tungte zekina lai lunga puak na nian tak mahi.
We are very disappointed with the persecution happening in the land of Manipur. We are here from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh apat kahiwa.
We are all here with a team of 7 members.
Team members kahiwa.
To do the relief works for the people who are destitute.
Relief work dinga gao tai te panpi dinga hun pai kahi.
We are also happy to see friends from Mizoram who are helping a lot for the people who are persecuted here.
Ilom amawadia mo eadia bel isangam ahia amawadia bel alom Mizoram apata
people of God who has concern for you and your families.
And
we want to say that we are praying for you every day in every church and every believer in South India.
South India kung genwa mahile nitenga angol thuna ne to lowa hana ne sigi ge kahi chide kun po kahi.
And I'm happy to tell you that my 3 years old son is also praying every day for you and your children.
Kata papa kun tunel ana pangin le nitenga ya isi tamite ya ninga na tungi ge ahi.
On 31st July, we have conducted a huge rally in Andhra Pradesh with 25,000 people coming over into the roads. 31st July.
31st July really nei na wai ai tu ahia ilong baka missing ni le sanga valin Andhra Pradesh government den no kina really ana panuhi.
We have done this rally against the BJP government in the central
BJP government vai home pen why against ya Manipura tung pen against Tangkopia ana protest kahi.
We Christians don't have enemy, we love everyone, but we are protesting against the RSS and BJP who are persecuting the Christians in the land of India.
Milma nei ki ma le why a Christian te hun soi sagi ge BJP sol kale RSS sol kale protest kahi.
While we are doing the rally, all the police, they tried to arrest us and they try to keep us inside the houses, and they want to destroy the plans which we are making to make the rally. But because of the grace of God, we could able to successfully do the rally and show the strength of the Christianity to the central government.
Why like protest ni ilaiwa police ten hun mat so ma le bang chiting ina hun do dal so ma le hun do dal thei lo ina lam zang taka sing ni le sang nga valin mi pi ten kha protest successful taka kinai thei hi.
On the day of the rally, in the end of the time, I really want to say that we literally cried and prayed by kneeling down on the roads and streets of the Andhra Pradesh.
Why really ane new aso dikwa nina mitag na mina Andhra Pradesh lamlian tiya huping ina hituin up to ito touna kanayuhi.
And we believe that God has a great purpose behind the persecution in the land of Manipur.
Yai why sa tak Puham taka bolgen tiya iyong na tunto na pakatopan lamdang tak hunghi dingahi ektehun dingahi chi kaging tatinten.
His purpose is to spread his kingdom like the incidents happened in the first century that we can read in the book of Acts.
Yai nasepte Bible exam why bungkat na persecution Israel te Jerusalem ang omaka amaw te tai talun hi malimun tuang tuama tang thubak again na pathian gamlak na maung kithe zag bangin na yai muna leng igim gen thi thuak deu ni tam piti adi nga wal zon na hiding na ka tin na hi.
We know that the persecution in the first century helped the spread of the gospel from Jerusalem to the uttermost parts of the world.
Why Jerusalem
bearing the suffering is the objective of the Christian faith.
Yai gim gen thi haksa ito na pen kha
is the objective of the worldly people.
Awai te pumpet som te haksa thuak ngap lo chi te kha khovel thla ki bol mi te ngai omda nahi.
A man of God says, those who are graduated in the school of suffering will definitely inherit the kingdom of God.
Pathian misat khatin atil gen na ubuchin again na gim gen thei na bol gen thei na lep thil haksa te thuak ngam hang san taka wai phungam ten what you say kha to pa langgam moding mo ahi tai se lo te mo jinna tai se lo te to pa langgam moding ahi.
We know that there are many people who lost their loved ones, who lost their family members. But one thing is, suffering is only on this earth.
Ya ilagatil asanggam anu atanaw te manswa tampi ya om ding chi kathya ya gim gem thina ya gim gem thina tu ya lei tu wa ka hum ahi.
But in the heaven there is no suffering. Paul says that bear the cross. Peter chapter 1 verse 7 says that our faith is tested by these sufferings.
Peter lai ha khatna cha sagi
First Peter 1:7.
acha Peter bukhat chang sagi a.
There we see that faith is more precious than gold.
Ginatu
And these sufferings help us to get closer with God. Dear friends, Romans chapter 8 verse 29 says, those who love God, everything happens for their good and well-being.
to pa ite adinga itil tua te kha e adinga hrik nga to pan suak sakahi
Everything happens for our good.
tua itua te kha tung chena e adinga punna e adinga vualzo na hun hidinga
What a grand purpose that God is having behind these sufferings.
gim gem
You know the people who has trained as IAS and IPS. You know how rigorous the training to them. They suffer a lot to sit in their seats.